Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 15 surprising things guys find unattractive in women. So, if you're curious to know what turns guys off, keep watching. Okay, so let's start off with number 1. Wearing too much makeup. Yeah, I know. We all want to look our best, but there's such a thing as going overboard. When you pile on the foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, lipstick, and blush, it can actually be a major turnoff for guys. They don't want to see a face that looks like it's been painted by a clown. They want to see your natural beauty, so keep it simple and let your skin breathe. Moving on to number 2, having overly styled hair. Again, it's great to take care of your hair and keep it looking its best, but when you spend hours styling it into a perfect coif, it can actually make you look less attractive to guys. They want to see hair that's natural and easygoing, not something that looks like it took hours to create. So, if you want to make a good impression, let those curls flow freely and embrace your natural texture. Number 3, sharp long nails. Remember those fake nails that were all the rage a few years ago? Yeah, guys hate them. They literally look like weapons, and no one wants to get scratched by a woman's claws. Plus, they're just not practical. Imagine trying to do everyday tasks with those things on. It's a nightmare. So, if you're thinking about getting long fake nails, just don't. Number 4, wearing too much perfume. Okay, so I know you want to smell good, but there's such a thing as too much. When you spray on perfume, you want it to be a subtle scent that enhances your natural smell, not a chemical assault that makes people want to run away. So, go easy on the perfume and let your natural scent shine through. Number 5, being excessively confident. Confidence is great, but there's a fine line between being confident and being arrogant. When you're constantly bragging about yourself and putting others down, it's a major turnoff for guys. They want to be with someone who's confident in themselves, but not someone who's full of themselves. So, keep your ego in check and let your actions speak for themselves. Number 6, being a gossiper. This is probably one of the worst things you can do to turn a guy off. When you're constantly talking about other people and spreading rumors, it makes you look petty and small-minded. Guys want to be with someone who's positive and uplifting, not someone who's always bringing others down. So, if you want to make a good impression, keep your gossip to yourself. Number 7, clingy behavior. Okay, so you're in a new relationship and you're excited to spend every waking moment with your significant other. But that doesn't mean you have to be all up in their grill all the time. Guys need their space, and when you're constantly smothering them, it can be a major turnoff. Give them some room to breathe and let them miss you. It'll make them appreciate you more in the long run. Number 8, attention seekers. Nobody likes a person who's always trying to be the center of attention. It's annoying, and it's a major turnoff for guys. If you want to make a good impression, be yourself and let your personality shine through. Don't try to be someone you're not, because guys will see right through it. Number 9, starving yourself. Guys don't want to be with a woman who's always on a diet. It's unhealthy, it's unattractive, and it sends the wrong message. Guys want to be with a woman who's happy and healthy, not someone who's constantly worried about her weight. So, if you want to make a good impression, eat healthy and exercise regularly, but don't starve yourself. Number 10, bad-mouthing your ex. When you're constantly talking about how terrible your ex is, it makes you look bitter and immature. Guys don't want to be with someone who can't let go of the past. They want to be with someone who's positive and forward-looking. So, if you want to make a good impression, keep your ex out of the conversation. Number 11, being catty to other girls. When you're mean to other girls, it makes you look insecure and jealous. Guys want to be with a woman who's confident and supportive, not someone who's always trying to compete with other women. So, if you want to make a good impression, be kind and supportive to other girls. Number 12, being a party girl. Guys don't want to be with a woman who's always out partying and getting drunk. It's a major turnoff. They want to be with someone who's responsible and mature, not someone who's always looking for the next party. So, if you want to make a good impression, keep your partying in check and show guys that you're more than just a party girl. Number 13, playing hard to get. Okay, So you think playing hard to get is going to make a guy more interested in you? Wrong. Playing games is a major turnoff for guys. They want to be with a woman who's straightforward and honest, not someone who's always playing games. So, if you want to make a good impression, be yourself and let your true personality shine through. Number 14, smoking. Okay, so I know smoking is a personal choice, but it's definitely a turnoff for guys. It's unhealthy, it makes your teeth yellow, and it makes your breath stink. So, if you want to make a good impression, quit smoking. It's the best thing you can do for your health and your love life. Now, we get it, we all have those moments where we want to enhance our appearance or try a new style. But here's the deal, going overboard can sometimes backfire, especially if it looks like you're obsessing over perceived imperfections. It's like hitting the panic button on a first date. We're tackling the big three here: plastic surgery, style hopping, and crash dieting. While these may seem like a quick fix, they can unintentionally scream insecurity, and let's be real, that's a bit of a turnoff. After all, if a guy is into you for the right reasons, he probably doesn't want you to morph into a completely different person just to win him over. So, what's the takeaway here? Well, it's all about being genuine and comfortable in your own skin. Authenticity is attractive, and it's more likely to make a lasting impression than any extreme makeover. Now, over to you, ladies. Which of these points surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And guys, we want to hear from you too. Do you agree with this list, or is there anything else you'd add to it? If you enjoyed this video and found it relatable, show us some love with a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who might need a reality check on extreme makeovers. And hey, if you want more insightful content like this, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell. We've got a bunch of other videos waiting for you to explore. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay true to yourselves.